Ready to start editing but need to learn how to import your media into CapCut? It's easier than you think. Hi, I'm CEO from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to import your media into CapCut for your next project. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC or Mac. Click the New Project option from the top of your screen. Here, tap on the Import button. Select the media that you want to import and click the Open button. Now, the selected media will be imported to CapCut. And this is how you can import media on CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.